today. Habaneros are very, very spicy, guys. So I would recommend you wear gloves so that your hands don't burn, or worse, you rub your eyes or something, okay? So we're going to stem them. These are going to be spicy whether you take the seeds out or not. So that is up to you. They're still going to be spicy. I'm going to go ahead and seed them and take the membrane out. And then I'm just going to slice them. When I put them in my jar, I'm doing 8 habaneros. You do the quantity you want. All right, so I put them in this little jar. I'm going to add a little bit of coriander seed to this. Not necessary, optional. You can also use mustard seed if you want, or nothing. I am adding 2/3 of apple cider vinegar into this pan. We are not going to dilute this. We are going to just use apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar. If you don't want to use sugar, that's fine. This will help it, ferment, and it'll balance the vinegar, but it's up to you. And 1 teaspoon salt. I'm going to heat this and stir until the sugar and the salt are dissolved. I'm going to pour the hot liquid into my jar. By the way, guys, make sure when you're pouring hot liquids into your jars that they are heat proof. You don't want them to explode on you, okay? I'm going to press it down. I'm going to let these cool down. And then I'm going to put them in the fridge. And we're going to let them pickle for a good 3 days before we taste them. These have been in the fridge for 3 days. So now let's give them a try. These are very spicy. If you're not into spicy stuff, these are not for you. These are a great addition to tacos, to salsas even. If you're making a fruit salsa, you could chop up these and put them in your salsa. Delicious. Wow. Woo, that is spicy. But the heat has been tamed a little bit by the vinegar. And that acidity, oh, these are delicious, guys. I tell you, they're very, very good.